heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels. See बच्चे, our heart pump the blood to all the part of the body through vessels, blood vessels that are present inside our body. There is two type of blood vessels, that arteries and veins. Okay, two type of blood vessel presents, that are arteries and veins. The working of the arteries, what? Arteries carry blood to different part of the body, and veins carry blood back to the heart. The working of artery to giving blood to all part of the body, and the working of the veins to carry blood back to the heart. Now this is the important point. The heart beat 70 to 72 times per minute. बेटे here written heartbeat timing of heartbeat, what? 70 to 72 times heartbeat beat in 1 minute. Now lungs. See the structure of lungs. Lungs are paired organs in the chest that help in the process of breathing. But with the help of these two lungs, we have to breathe. When we breathe in, our chest expand and it supply our body with oxygen present in the air. Bete listen, when we breathe, when we take air inside our nose, when we breathe, okay, and at that time our lungs expand for taking oxygen from the surrounding. That's why it expand. And when we breathe out, see bache, when we breathe out, okay, then what? Then chest contract and it expels carbon dioxide. Bete, when we take air inside our nose, then our that lungs are expand. Why expand? To taking oxygen. And when we take out, breathe out, then what? Then our chest contract and it expel a carbon dioxide, and that also exit the carbon dioxide from our that lungs. The diaphragm is the muscle below the lungs that expand and relax. Bete, the diaphragm is the muscle below the lungs. This is our lungs, and below of this is the diaphragm, and these both contract and relax. This control the breathing process. Why? To expand and contract, to control the breathing process. A normal person breathe about 12 to 15 times in a minute. Better listen, that normal person breathe, their breathing time, what? 12 to 15 times in a 1 minute. Now stomach. The stomach is a muscular bag on the left side of the body. The walls of the stomach have glands that produce digestive juice. See, this is the structure of our stomach. When we eat food, then food coming inside our stomach, and during the processing of digesting, when food enter in our food pipe, okay, then our stomach walls produce a digestive juice. Okay, with the help of digestive juice, food can be digested. The digestive juice mix with our food and to help in digestion. Is that clear? Now from the stomach, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine. This is our small intestine, and this is our large intestine, which partially some food digest, which are left that gone in small intestine. Okay, the small intestine is a long thin tube folded many times. See here, folded na, so that giving a large digestive area, so which are partially digest, that enter in small intestine, and that small intestine giving A large digestive area. The intestine also secretes digestive juice to continue the digestion. Okay, so in the small intestine also secrete digestive juice. Okay, that also digestive juice secretes. So the digested food in the liquid form is taken into the blood. Now food digests in our body, and that convert into energy, and that energy mix in our blood and reach to our all part of the body. The blood carry to all the part of the body to give us energy. Now here liver is the largest and heaviest internal organ of the body. See liver, structure of liver. Liver is very large and very heavy organ, that internal organ which present inside our body, that is internal organ, and this is very biggest. Now liver is a very important organ of the digestive system. It also take part in digestion. It help in the digestion of food. It secretes bile juice. Firstly which juice? That digestive juice na. Now liver secretes which? That bile juice which help in the digestion of the fat. Now liver help to digest the fat things. It is dark red wedge shaped and located in the upper right part of abdomen. Its weight is about 1.5 kg in an adult. See बच्चे. Now it is a dark red color and also wedge part na, wedge shaped, and that na located upper side of abdomen. See here, abdomen means our stomach. Okay, it located upper side of abdomen. So its weight what? 1.5 kg in an adult. Kidneys. The kidneys are being shaped pair of organs located in the lower part of our body called the abdomen. See बच्चे, this is our kidneys and that present lower of our abdomen. It means it our stomach, lower of this, and it's shaped like a bean. Now their working what? They help in filtering waste product from the body. This liquid waste material passes away from our body through urine. See बच्चे, when we take a liquid things, okay, which how much we want for our body, that we digest, but which are left not needed for our body, that we remove through our urine. But working who doing work on that our kidneys. Who help that? Our kidneys. I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.